Okay, so good evening everyone and welcome again to this new episode. In this episode we will check the market and talk about the Bitcoin and the Ethereum. Also we'll discuss the American election because it's something really powerful happens inside the markets and we should be careful trading the market now in this period or in this circumstance. So guys, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also please do not take anything I'm saying in this video or in this channel as something 100% correct. We are sharing what we know. Okay, we are sharing point of views. I'm doing my best to give you strong algorithmic levels and teaching you how you extract them free of charge. You don't need to pay a single dollar for this science. Okay, I used to speak Arabic in my channel and help people in the Arab community. Also, I'm doing the same for the world now. So wish me luck, and I promise, guys, everything will be in your hand. No monopoly, okay, and we will not having monopolism toward science. Everything now is in your hand. Just help me grow this channel, of course, if you agree with me. And thank you very much, guys, for everything. So in this session, I will discuss my personal point of view of the American elections. Okay, but trust me, this American election now, starting from today, November and December. Guys, do not risk your money. You can invest. You can do whatever you want. You can be bearish. You can be bullish. But I promise you, if you don't have a risk management, you will gamble, and at the end of time, you will win or lose. So we don't want that. I want you to make money, and you are sure how to make money and how much you will make. Also, you will be sure the maximum, okay, the maximum of your loss. Just set a number, set a percentages, okay. Do not just let the markets take you bullish or take you bearish. No. If I win, how much I should or how much I have to win. If I'm going to say lose the position, so what is the approximate percentage that I am ready to risk or to take in my account? So if it's 5%, if it's 10%, it doesn't matter. Everyone has his own risk ratio and his own risk management. This is actually how we trade, guys. Okay, we have to be careful on how much we are ready to pay if the market goes against us. Okay, if you have or you believe this single sentence, trust me, you will never lose money. Okay, you will have a losing position, but you will never lose the capital. Especially if you have a strategy that gives you more than it takes from you. Okay, so guys, you know the American election is about, I think, is the 3rd of November. After that, I think in December we will have results that affects the whole worldwide markets and the whole worldwide economy. So I think, guys, United States will recover, okay, and United States now will have a strong US dollar than before. Many analysts are expecting US dollar to collapse, and I don't think so, because Federal Reserve knows how to invest in crisis, and they have genius people in the United States on how to trade, on how to deal with the crisis. About the American elections, I think that man who called Biden will win, not because the people want him to win, but because of the deep state and because of the people who control the globe. They want him. Okay, they want him. They create problems, and maybe they are behind this pandemic, probably. And now it's time to Donald Trump to leave, because Donald Trump is not the kind of man who invests in crisis and create crisis and extract money from that. Okay, Donald Trump is not a man that believes on making money from what we call in English good money. So he wants his economy to be the powerful. He wants his country to be great again. But unfortunately, the deep state doesn't take the things like that. Okay, deep state wants a crisis, that wants people to fight, that spend weapons, and that just interrupt other countries' regime. And here we go. This is how the deep states makes money. And do not take me, you guys, so serious, because I'm not saying America is bad. Okay? And also, if I say, for example, America is bad, I don't mean the people. Okay? Because the globe is controlled by you can say 2% of this mankind, and you all know that, guys. So I believe that United States will recover, and that will give a strong US dollar, so as the American stocks will continue to have new highs. Maybe Amazon will reach $10,000, maybe Facebook also more than 1,000, Netflix also. So now we should take a look at the cryptocurrencies. Guys, you know that cryptocurrencies now are in correlation with the Dow Jones. Okay, you may see that correlations start to be realistic in March, after the pandemic started to reach a lot of countries. So the whole markets start to drop, as you can see here. This candle here, this candle, okay, this is the pandemic candle, and let me show you the Dow Jones. Sorry, TGI. Okay, you can see that there is a correlation in the markets. Okay, 2017. Sorry guys. Okay, here I mean here, guys. Okay, so in March we had a correlation in Dow Jones, and it's the same for the Bitcoin, but you may see that there is a decorrelation now with the Dow Jones, and the Bitcoin now is in bullish side, okay, or in bullish signal, but the Dow Jones is not. So you know that the markets can be in correlation, and also we can have decorrelation, but you should be careful that when we have some kind of say the crisis, say the, for example, problems, the whole markets follow one direction. Okay, so now you can see that there is a decorrelation with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin now is about to rise. But after the pandemic, now Bitcoin is about to reach new highs. So this is actually something very interesting and very powerful, guys. So let's talk about where is our targets in Bitcoin. So guys, here you can see that we are in a resistance, which is the 14,000. Okay, 14,000. So now we reach a resistance. Here, guys, I'm not saying that we are in some bad signals or bearish signals, but we have to be just careful to trade the market like that. Okay, so from 14,000 to $20,000, all this level here are resistances. So should we now just exit our positions and keep watching the market in, let's say, I don't know how to say the word in English, but continue to rise and continue to penetrate the resistances? No, we should just be more careful to risk management, because we are trading in a resistance zone. Okay, how do we know resistance zone? When you see, guys, candles week or candles weeks, just take in consideration that you will have at least, okay, at least you will have some consolidation parts or consolidation phases, many consolidation phases, because people are afraid to trade inside the resistance levels. Okay, but do not take so seriously. Okay, just keep adding this rectangle in your chart and be careful. Okay, if you risk, for example, 10% of your account, just risk 5%. and let the positions continue. So this movement here, is it signal? Is it a bad signal or a bullish signal? As you can see, guys, there is a bullish signal. Okay, there is a bullish, strong bullish signal. But in Bitcoin, every single bearish signal means a bullish one. Okay, every bearish signal means a bullish one. So I'm really optimistic about Bitcoin, but let's just be more serious. In the weekly chart, you can see a strong, bullish candles. To set the targets, guys, it's very simple. Just adjust a Fibonacci level from the last low and the high, or the high and low, doesn't matter. It's like that. Okay, so you can see that the market actually respects all the levels. And now this is the targets for today, guys. So this is a complete target, which is the 40,200, 40,100, 40,000 $, 40,050. It's all our resistance levels, guys. So now, if we break higher than this level here, so probably we can have a strong bullish signal, but be careful of capitulations, guys. Okay, be careful of capitulations. What is capitulation? A capitulation is just like that. Okay, I mean something like that. Okay, some higher levels, and then the same day or the same week we can go back and capitulate. Okay, so when you say a capitulation, let's say away from a resistance, that you don't have a danger. But when you see a capitulation from a resistance, then you should be careful. Because a capitulation in a resistance means that people are now convinced to exit their positions and start to have a new, let's say, negative thinking, maybe, to short and exit their positions and wait another new low. So this is, guys. After that, we can have 16,000. Okay, it's like that inside the resistance level. And also you can see here it's the same level here we had already in Bitcoin, which is the 90,600. After that we have 21. Sorry, I cannot really see the charts properly. So 20,200. So guys, this is it for the targets. Bitcoin is bullish and remains so. Just be careful, guys, to trade the markets, because like I said, we are in some slightly bearish movements, bearish resistances, and that zone exactly. So if you want to trade, just adjust your risk management. This is how you actually set your targets, guys. It's something really it's not very difficult, but you can just trade like that. Okay, risk management, and follow. If you are going to risk 5%, just be careful to have a risk reward in 10% or 10% of your total risk. A reward one. So let's just go so deep. You can see the last candle here, this strong bullish one. Now we have slightly bearish signal. Okay, I don't think that will stop the market, but if it does something really dangerous, just trade like that. Okay, just trade like that. Get your Fibonacci level. This is the first high and this is the first low. Okay, this is the first high and this is the first low. So now this is a new high and this is the same low. So this is our first level and this is our second one. You can change the color, guys. Okay, if you want to separate the colors. So if you can see, for example, you are trading in the 1 hour chart, you may know that this yellow, for example, the yellow level means a weekly level and weekly resistance or support. For example, if you are trading the 4 hour, you can use a red color, etc. So just you don't mix things, okay? Because a fusion of the levels can give you a bad decision, because say a 4 hour support is not powerful than the one say 1 hour or the 1 week, each one, as long as we are trading big time frames. so we can have credibility in each and every support and resistance. So colors is very important, guys. So this is it. In these levels here, you can buy again. This is the last time for Bitcoin. Last chance, sorry, not last time, last chance. Okay, here at the moving average, you can buy again here. If you see any retest here, just go. No matter what happens, just go and buy here. Futures, spots, doesn't matter. Buy here. You will not regret. So thank you very much, guys, for listening to this session. We want to add Ethereum, but I think the same for Ethereum. Bitcoin and Ethereum are correlated together. So if you like this content, just hit the like button. And thank you very much for supporting my channel. So this is it. See you later.